Hi, this is Gayle with BERNINA of Naperville, and I just wanted to let you know about a cool new accessory that's available for some of your BERNINA 8 Series sergers and your burnettes. Our friend Mary Beck over at BERNINA of America is going to tell you all about the new C31.
Hello, my name is Mary Beck, and I'm an educator and overlocker specialist for BERNINA of America. In this video, I'm going to show you how to attach and use the Coverstitch Hemmer attachment number C31. The Coverstitch Hemmer attachment is attached to the machine using the accessories holder, which is screwed into the Coverstitch insert using the included screws. There are several feet that are compatible with this attachment. They include the standard overlock foot number C11, the cover and chain stitch foot C13, the cover compensating foot C12, the curve foot C23, and the clear foot C27. This attachment is also compatible with our Burnett cover stitch machines. Those include the Burnett 42, 48, 62, and 68. And you can use the standard foot or the clear foot. With the Coverstitch Hemmer attachment, you can easily create hems that are 1 inch in depth on your project. You can use either a narrow or a wide cover stitch, and on the back of your project, the raw edges will be neatly covered. For this demonstration, I'm going to be using the 3-thread cover stitch narrow, stitch number 23, and foot C13. Begin by attaching the accessories holder to the cover stitch insert using the appropriate screws. Insert the cover stitch Hemmer into the accessories holder and secure with the included screw. Push the Hemmer all the way forward and then adjust its placement using the locking screw on the accessories holder. You want the Hemmer to be close to, but not touching, the front of the foot. Then use the screw that is holding the Hemmer to adjust where it is going to be placed. Swing the attachment out. The fabric is going to be inserted in this manner here, and then the hem is going to roll under, and the edge of the hem will butt up against the fabric guide on the underside of the attachment. I've gone ahead and pre-pressed a hem to make it easier, and then I'm going to slide it into the attachment, and the fold of the hem will be along the right-hand side. You want the fabric to slide easily through the attachment. Raise the presser foot and push the attachment all the way forward. And then I recommend that you do a tuss sew to verify the placement of the attachment. And let's bring this forward and check our position. And I can see that I'm quite close to the edge. I can maybe get a little bit closer. So you can adjust here, and you can also adjust turning the cutting width knob. When you reach the end, swing the attachment out, raise the presser foot, and remove the project from the machine. And as you can see, I've got my stitches right along the edge. You can have that left needle be either right on the edge of the hem or just off. If you have fabric sticking out, this is where you could use your applique scissors and trim close to the stitching. When sewing a tubular hem, take advantage of your free arm by removing the sew table. Then insert your fabric as before. And sew your hem. As you come back towards the beginning of your hem, go ahead and trim the stitches. And then remove the project from the hemmer and swing it out of the way. And then guide the stitches so they align with the notches that are on the front of the foot and overlap by a few stitches. Then release the needle threads and remove from the machine. Use the hemmer attachment to create accurate professional hems on your garments, or consider using decorative threads for a unique look on your other projects.
Well, thanks so much for watching this video with me, and thank you so much, Mary, for your time that you took to make that video. And if you want to see more videos like this one, or some humorous ones, or very serious videos, don't forget to check out our BERNINA of Naperville YouTube channel. It's easy. You just go to youtube.com/BERNINA of Naperville, and there you can like, comment, and subscribe. Happy serging!